scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma. This is the 21st class. We have already seen that the first thing that came out from Brahman is first knowledge, Brahmanaspati and the plant Paramatma. Then came the driving force, and it formed in the shape of a wave, and at the center it is stationary, and from there this is the sattva position or Newton's first law where it is applicable. It is stationary, that is Brahman, or the thing which come out from Brahman for the formation of universe. Then from there a driving force was created, which is responsible for the creation of universe. So it is active and it is a force, so obeys Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to mass into acceleration. And as per Veda, it is Rajoguna. Since it is in dual in nature, along with it form this form in the opposite direction, which is applicable to Newton's third law, that is every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So thus a wave is formed, and this wave propagates, and this part is called Rajoguna. This is Tamoguna, and between this is stationary, that is Sattva-guna. Now let us go to some other suttas. This is in connection with the same thing, that is regarding this waveform. Let us go through one by one. First, let us go through Rigveda Mandal 1, 12 Slokta 14. Then see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 14-12. ഋഷി മേധാതിഥി കണ്വൻ ദേവത വിശ്വദേവന്മാർ ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി. യുക്ഷ്വാഹരുഷി രഥേ ഹരിതോ ദേവരോഹിതഃ താഭിർദേവാം ഇവാവഹ.
It says Agni, the energy or the force, came out from Brahman to go to travel. It fixes 2 horses on his chariot. That is, Agni is traveling with the help of 2 horses. The color of one horse is red, blood red, and the other is golden. That means this wave, one is the active force which is responsible for the creation of this universe. So that is blood red color, that horse. The second horse means it is actually it is force. Force is related with a force. We are force is measuring in the form of horsepower. So it is comparing with the horse. So the other one is golden color. It is calm. That is Tamoguna. So this sutta says there are also horses to drive the chariot of Agni. That means to travel Agni, there are two forces. One is blood red, that is very active. The other is calm, that is one is Rajoguna and the other is with the Tamoguna. Then let us go to the other Sukta, Rigveda Mandalam 4, 9 of Sukta 6. Now let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 4 സൂക്തം 6-9. ഋഷി വാമദേവൻ ദേവതാഗ്നി ഛന്ദസ് പങ്ക്തി തൃഷ്ടുപ് തവത്യേ അഗ്നേ ഹരിതോ ഹൃദസ്ന രോഹിദാസ ഋജഞ്ച സ്വഞ്ചഃ അരുഷാസോ വൃഷണ ഋജുമുഷ്ക ആ ദേവതാദി മഹിവന്ത മഹ്വന്ത ദസ്മാഹ.
He says, from the mouth of horses comes out foam and froth. That is, that if we put soap in water, we will get foam and froth. Likewise, it is the shape of wave, depression and this type, bubble like. So this also says, this energy comes out. Horse means energy. Energy comes out in the form of wave, or in modern science it is called crust and trough. Likewise, and it says it travels in straight line. Even though the waves are in this form, since it is traveling in the form of snake, but at the same time it is traveling in straight line. We know light waves are with these are wave form like this, but it is not traveling in this way. It is traveling in a straight path. So this wave is traveling, this energy is traveling in a straight path, and it is very powerful also, it says, and we can see it under suitable conditions. This wave, this energy can be see it, because it will take the form of light also, that we can see later. Now let us go to another sukta from Yajurveda 43 of Sukta 15. Now see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 15 മന്ത്രം 43. ഋഷി പരമേഷ്ടി ദേവതാഗ്നി ഛന്ദഃ നൃജത് പങ്ക്തി സ്വരഃ പഞ്ചമഃ. ഉഭേ സുചന്ദ്രസർപ്പിഷോ ദർവി ശ്രീണീഷ ആസനീ ഉദോ ന ഉത്പു പൂര്യ യുക്തേഷു ശവസസ്പദ ഇഷം സ്തോതൃഭ്യ ആഭര.
He says, the rays of Agni travels in circular form. Circular is snake's way of going. Snake's path. Snake is moving in this way. That is wave form. This also says the same thing. It is due to vibration. These are formed due to vibration. It is in vibrating form. That is why it is called a frequency, and like that. Number of vibration per second. Likewise, frequencies saying in that way. So these waves are forming in the form of vibration, in the form of snake movement, like that. And it is going straight. So the first thing that created from this driving force come out from Brahmanaspati, or this program, or from Brahma, is the wave form of energy. It contains three parts. One is this one. This is the force required for resulting in the formation of universe. This is the active force and it is Sattva-guna, and this is its negative form, that is called, this is Rajoguna, Rajoguna, and its negative form is Tamoguna, and in between there is a steady state, that is Sattva-guna. So it contains three parts. So a wave, this directive force was driving force which come out from Brahma. It take the form of three different ways. For example, we are classifying energy into electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, etc. Likewise, this driving force can be divided into three. One is called that Rajoguna form, the other one is Tamoguna form, and the middle one is Sattva-guna form. These are divided into three because in all the creations there are three stages. One is the creation stage. After creation, we are maintaining the system for a definite period. How much time it is required? So much time we will keep it. That is Sattva stage. So creative stage, maintaining stage. Then after use, we will destroy it. That is the Tamoguna stage. But in Purana stories, we are producing these forces in the form of character. In stories, it should become character. There, these forces are represented as three characters, that is Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahadeva. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahadeva. Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the maintainer, sustains in that position, maintains it till the time it is required. After that, Shiva destroys it. So this force is divided, classified into three. One is that force we take part in creation, that is Brahma, as per Purana stories. There is a character called Brahma, which is this creative force. After creation, we will maintain it. If we construct a house, first it is construction, then we will maintain it for a definite period of time for our stay. After that, we will destroy it. After several years, when it will become old, we will destroy it. So in every system, if consider a radio, we will purchase it, maintain it, then destroy it. So everything, there is three types of operation. One is creation, and it is represented by Brahma in the story, Brahma. Then it is maintained. That charge is given to Vishnu. He is looking after the maintenance activity. Then after that, after use, they destroy it, and that character is Shiva, Mahadeva. So in story, it will take the form of, they may be presented as characters, three types of characters. But as per Veda, these are three gunas, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, and Sattva-guna. As per modern science, it is Newton's law of motion. There are three laws. One is stationary position, that is first law. Then creative force, that is second law. Then either its negative, reverse, that is if it is creation, the other one is destruction, that is third law. So in Purana stories, it is represented by three characters: Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Now, in Veda, we are dealing in the scientific way in the form of wave itself. Then these waves are to be converted to electron, proton, etc. Then it is to be converted to atom, molecule likewise, until the end of creation of all these universe. After that, progress is taking place through through human beings. That is on the Earth's surface. There are number of Earths in the planet, in this universe, and all that all that Earths. This last finishing work is taking place with the help of human beings. For that purpose, they are created. Now, today we can stop here.